Hello everyone. In this video about Republic Day speech for students. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel for more videos. This video definitely helpful to you. So please give one like and share your friend. First one, hello everyone. My name is Rohan. Second one, today is Republic Day. Third one, we celebrate this day every year. Fourth one, our country got freedom many years ago. Fifth one, we got our constitution on this day. Sixth one, it teaches us what is right and wrong. Seventh one, I promise to respect my country and its laws. Eighth one, I will work hard to make my country great. Ninth one, let's all do the same. I hope this video gives more information to you. Please subscribe our channel, share your friends.